fireworks in the garden. Once again, the tragedy of floods in Australia. While we've been enjoying the driest summer for years, they've been suffering from a series of terrible deluges. Army ducks came to the rescue on the north coast of New South Wales, helping the stranded and taking food and supplies to the residents of Kempsey, who had been isolated for days. The Army also weighed in with signal equipment, and temporary communications were established with the outside world. Not only was the death roll considerable, but when the water subsided, the trail of wreckage stretched for miles around. The diggers soon got down to salvaging their personal property, but their houses and the town had gone. The job of clearing up was made more difficult by the acres and acres of mud which remained. The disaster struck quickly, but it'll take years to rebuild the havoc it caused. At Petawawa in Ontario,